Today is Friday, March 9th. This is the 1975-1976 Cadillac air conditioning programmable controller and in-dash climate control unit. Both units have been completely disassembled and fully restored, functionally validated and tested. And I'm going to go ahead and do a presentation here of the final fully assembled embodiment. And here on the AC programmable controller, I'm going to go ahead and apply vacuum. We'll watch the unit actuate, and when we return to atmosphere, it regulates appropriately. And here we have the in-dash climate controller with all the different settings. Fully restored, functionally validated and testing, and these will be going out to my friend Ben as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, March 8th. Thank you very kindly.